In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy meme coins on Solana. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to set up a Solana wallet. So download a Solana wallet. So choose a Solana compatible wallet like Phantom, Solid, or Solflare. Now download and install the wallet extension or app. Now create a new wallet. So open the wallet app or extension, follow the prompts to create a new wallet, and save your recovery phrase. So write down and securely store the recovery phrase provided by the wallet. Now add Solana to your wallet. So purchase Sol from a cryptocurrency exchange, for example, Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Complete the necessary verification and purchase procedures on the exchange. Now copy your Solana wallet address from the wallet app or extension. Go to the exchange where you purchase Sol and withdraw Sol to your Solana wallet address. Next is to connect to a decentralized exchange. Now select a decentralized exchange on Solana that supports meme coins such as Radium or Serum. Now go to the DEX website, click on Connect Wallet, and select your wallet. Now follow the prompts to connect your wallet to the DEX. Now use the search function on the DEX to find the meme coin you want to buy. Make sure you're using the correct contact address for the meme coin to avoid scams. Now select the amount of SOL you want to swap for the meme coin. Review the transaction details and ensure everything is correct. Confirm the swap and approve the transaction in your wallet. Now open your Solana wallet to check if the meme coins have arrived. So you may need to manually add the token to see it in your wallet. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.